Did you know that drinking warm lemon water the wrong way could actually do more harm than good? Are you drinking your lemon water wrong? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. Today we're diving into the popular trend of drinking warm lemon water. You've probably heard that it's a miracle drink for detoxing, boosting your immune system, and even promoting weight loss. But is it really all sunshine and rainbows? Well, while there are tons of benefits linked to warm lemon water, there are also some common mistakes that can totally negate those benefits or even worse, harm your health. So, stick around as we uncover the 15 fatal mistakes people make when consuming this trendy drink. Alright, let's get into it. Here are the 15 fatal mistakes that you might be making when drinking warm lemon water. From the temperature of the water to the type of lemon you use, these little things can have a huge impact on how effective your lemon water is. So, pay close attention because you don't want to miss out on any of these crucial details. You might think you're doing everything right, but trust me, some of these common practices could be sabotaging your health goals. Mistake number 1. Ignoring the nutritional powerhouse in lemon peel. When preparing lemon water, many individuals overlook the valuable nutrients found in the peel, discarding it without a second thought. This oversight deprives you of a treasure trove of essential compounds including fiber, vitamins, and potent antioxidants. The peel is particularly rich in bioactive compounds that can bolster your immune system and combat inflammation, offering an extra layer of protection for your overall health. To harness the full potential of lemons, consider grating the peel and incorporating it into your lemon water. This simple step not only enhances the drink's flavor, but also amplifies its nutritional profile, providing an additional boost to your daily wellness routine. Mistake number 2. Consuming lemon water on an empty stomach. While many individuals believe that drinking lemon water on an empty stomach is the optimal way to start the day, this practice can be detrimental for those with sensitive stomachs. The citric acid present in lemons can irritate the stomach lining, leading to discomfort, heartburn, and even abdominal pain. To avoid these unpleasant side effects, consider consuming lemon water after a light meal, or with foods that help neutralize acidity, such as oatmeal or whole grain toast. This approach allows you to enjoy the benefits of lemon water without overloading your digestive system first thing in the morning. Mistake number 3. Overlooking the importance of lemon sourcing. A common oversight that can compromise the safety and quality of your lemon water is using lemons from unreliable sources. Lemons that have not been properly sanitized may harbor pesticide residues, microorganisms, or other harmful substances that can introduce contaminants directly into your body. To mitigate this risk, it is crucial to wash lemons thoroughly before use, preferably with a solution of water and vinegar to remove any residual pesticides. Additionally, opting for organic lemons whenever possible can significantly reduce your exposure to chemicals, ensuring a healthier and safer drinking experience. Mistake number 4. Adding lemon juice too early in cooking. While lemon juice can be a flavorful addition to many dishes, adding it too early during the cooking process can lead to a significant loss of valuable nutrients. Vitamin C and other potent antioxidants found in lemon juice are sensitive to heat, and when exposed to high temperatures, these beneficial compounds can be destroyed. To preserve the maximum nutritional value, it is advisable to add lemon juice towards the end of the cooking process, once the food is already off the heat or at a lower temperature. This simple practice ensures that you reap the full benefits of the lemon's nutrients without compromising their integrity. Mistake number 5. Storing lemons at room temperature. Storing lemons at room temperature may seem like a convenient option, but this habit can compromise their quality and longevity. Lemons left out of the refrigerator tend to dry out more quickly, losing their natural moisture and resulting in less available juice when squeezed. Moreover, when stored at room temperature, lemons are more susceptible to mold growth and early spoilage. To ensure that your lemons stay fresh and juicy for longer, it is recommended to store them in the refrigerator, preferably in the fruit and vegetable compartment where humidity levels are controlled. Placing them in an airtight container or plastic bag can further extend their freshness, ensuring a steady supply of quality lemons for your lemon water. Mistake number 6. Letting cut lemons dry out. Many individuals make the mistake of leaving cut lemons exposed to the air, which can lead to rapid oxidation and loss of essential nutrients. When lemons are cut and left in the open, they begin to lose vitamin C and dehydrate, becoming less juicy and harder to squeeze. To avoid this unnecessary waste, it is crucial to store cut lemons in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This simple step slows down the oxidation process and preserves both the nutrients and the moisture in the lemon, ensuring that it remains fresh and ready for use in your next refreshing glass of lemon water. Mistake number 7. Not extracting all the juice from the lemon. Many individuals are unaware that they may be wasting a significant portion of the available juice by not employing proper extraction techniques. Simply cutting the lemon in half and squeezing with your hands may not be enough to extract all the liquid, leaving a considerable amount of juice still trapped within the fruit. To maximize juice extraction, consider rolling the lemon on a hard surface with the palm of your hand before cutting it. This technique helps break down the inner fibers, releasing more juice. Additionally, using a lemon squeezer can ensure that you extract every last drop, yielding up to 30% more juice compared to manual squeezing. By optimizing your extraction methods, you can maximize the nutritional benefits and flavor of every serving of lemon water without any unnecessary waste. Mistake number 8. Drinking excessive lemon juice with acid reflux. For individuals suffering from acid reflux, consuming large quantities of lemon juice can exacerbate symptoms and cause discomfort. Lemon juice is highly acidic, and its introduction to an already sensitized esophagus can lead to burning sensations and chest pain. However, this does not mean that you must completely eliminate lemon water from your diet. One solution is to dilute the lemon juice in a larger quantity of water, which reduces the acidity and makes the drink gentler on the digestive system. Another helpful tip is to consume lemon water alongside alkalizing foods, such as green vegetables, which can help neutralize the acidity. By making these adjustments, you can continue to enjoy the benefits of lemon water without aggravating your acid reflux condition. Mistake number 9. Opting for bottled lemon juice over fresh juice. While bottled lemon juice may seem like a convenient alternative, it often lacks the nutritional potency of its fresh counterpart. Bottled juices typically undergo pasteurization processes that can eliminate a significant portion of the vitamins and antioxidants naturally present in fresh lemons. Furthermore, these products may contain preservatives, additives, and even added sugars, which are not ideal for those seeking a natural and healthy beverage. Whenever possible, opt for freshly squeezed lemon juice to ensure you're receiving the full array of beneficial compounds without the potential drawbacks of processed products. Mistake number 10. Drinking undiluted lemon juice. While the tangy flavor of lemon juice can be tempting, consuming it undiluted can have detrimental effects, particularly on your oral health. Lemon juice is highly acidic, and drinking it without dilution can erode tooth enamel, leading to increased sensitivity and an increased risk of cavities. Additionally, the acidity of undiluted lemon juice can irritate the mucous membranes of the mouth and esophagus, causing discomfort or even pain. To protect your teeth and enjoy the benefits of lemon water safely, it is essential to dilute the juice with water. This not only makes the drink less aggressive on your tooth enamel, but also promotes better hydration. For extra protection, consider drinking lemon water through a straw to minimize direct contact with your teeth. Mistake number 11. Consuming lemon water at extreme temperatures. While some individuals prefer their lemon water ice cold, especially on hot days, consuming it at extreme temperatures can have adverse effects on your digestive system. When the water is too cold, it can hinder digestion and even cause stomach discomfort, as the body needs to expend energy to warm the liquid to body temperature before processing it. Furthermore, the absorption of nutrients can be impaired when the digestive system is shocked by the cold. On the other hand, consuming lemon water at excessively high temperatures can also be problematic, as it may destroy some of the beneficial enzymes and nutrients present in the lemon. To reap the full benefits of lemon water, it is recommended to consume it at room temperature or slightly warm. This approach not only facilitates digestion, but can also promote a feeling of comfort and well-being, especially when waking up or before going to sleep. Mistake number 12. Not washing lemons before use. Failing to wash lemons before cutting or squeezing them can be a significant oversight with potential health consequences. The surface of lemons can harbor bacteria, pesticide residues, wax, and other contaminants that are harmful to your well-being. When you cut or squeeze an unwashed lemon, these contaminants can be transferred directly to the pulp and consequently into your lemon water. To avoid ingesting these harmful substances, it is essential to thoroughly wash lemons under running water before using them. If possible, use a vegetable brush to gently scrub the peel and remove any residual debris. This simple practice ensures that the lemon water you consume is safe and free from unwanted contaminants, allowing you to enjoy its benefits with peace of mind. Mistake number 13. Drinking lemon water excessively throughout the day. While lemon water is undoubtedly a healthy beverage choice, consuming it in excessive quantities throughout the day can lead to imbalances in your body's pH levels. Overconsumption of acidic beverages can disrupt the delicate balance of your body's acidity, potentially leading to adverse effects. To maintain optimal health, it is recommended to limit your intake of lemon water to 1 or 2 glasses per day. This moderation allows you to reap the benefits of this refreshing drink, while avoiding potential complications caused by excessive consumption. Mistake number 14. Not drinking enough plain water throughout the day. One of the most significant mistakes individuals make when incorporating lemon water into their routine is failing to drink sufficient plain water throughout the day. While lemon water is an excellent way to stay hydrated, it should not be your sole source of hydration. It is crucial to remember that your body requires an adequate intake of water to function optimally. Neglecting to drink enough plain water can lead to dehydration, which can have far-reaching consequences for your overall health and well-being. To ensure proper hydration, make a conscious effort to drink ample amounts of water in addition to your daily lemon water intake. Mistake number 15. Believing lemon water alone can replace a balanced diet. While lemon water offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to understand that it should not be viewed as a substitute for a well-rounded nutritious diet. Lemon juice, while rich in vitamin C and beneficial compounds, does not provide the essential nutrients required for optimal bodily function, such as protein, healthy fats, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Relying solely on lemon water can lead to nutritional deficiencies, fatigue, and potentially serious health issues. To maintain overall well-being, it is crucial to incorporate lemon water as a complementary element to a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful beverage that can offer a myriad of health benefits when consumed correctly. By avoiding the 15 crucial mistakes outlined in this video, you can maximize the potential of this refreshing drink while safeguarding your well-being. From ensuring proper lemon sourcing and storage to maintaining moderation and balancing your hydration, these tips will empower you to incorporate lemon water into your routine in a safe and effective manner. Embrace the zesty goodness of lemon water and embark on a journey toward improved health and vitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for our upcoming videos, and please leave your comments to let us know what topics you'll like us to cover next. Thanks so much for watching.